Good afternoon, choppers. Hope all of you are well. Hope everyone is well. Hope you can all hear me. Yeah, we are in the new week. What is happening? Okay, so I'm going to take you guys through my trade that I lost this morning on WTI. Look at how painful this thing is, man. So painful, but at least it was a B grade. So this is what I sent on the group. I bought at this price here, $70.48. This is where I bought WTI. Right, so as you see that it went down to hit my stop loss and went my direction, and this is where I wanted to exit, right? And I was gonna reload at $70.92, but did not get an opportunity. But yeah, so far I took a trade today, and I've updated on the group that I took this. However, I haven't updated my results as yet. Risk reward 1:2, very painful to see. My stop loss, I think it was too tight, but yeah, it happens. Just another day at the office. Right, so if you're attending the morning class, you would know that we were bullish today on euro dollar. We're bullish when we saw this gap. We knew that a lot of retail traders will want to fill up the gap, and in the morning I was telling my team, let's not fall for this, right? And as you clearly see, it went up to $1.05. Also on British pound USD, we wanted to see if we can buy at a discount. We wanted to take our fib from this low to that high there. Right, so we wanted an entry around 786, though we missed it by a small margin to go to the upside, but still clean setup, clean setup on British pound USD. Gold, we were bearish today, excuse me, and we are still going to be bearish. This is what I said on gold. We break below, retest at $2,653 an ounce, look to be taking selling positions from there. Right, so yeah, gold is moving quite nicely. Bearish on it. NAS 100, we were bullish. This was our analysis this morning. So yeah, we were bullish on NAS 100, bullish on euro dollar, bullish on British pound USD, bearish on gold, and also bullish on US30. Let's see US30 there. So almost every analysis we did today went spot on, right? German 40, let's see German 40. We're still within the box. We are going to buy German 40 at this lows here, 19,493. This is where we are going to buy our German 40. And AUD USD, I actually wanted to buy it here, however it was late, right? It went down before we can find an execution. So in the morning when we were analyzing, I was saying to the team, I want to buy it here, however I'm going to wait for London to open. But as soon as London opened, I saw this movement to the downside, and I knew that there was no opportunity for me there. However, this is where again you could possibly look to enter this thing to the upside at 65 cents, right? So I think, yeah, during the live stream, why don't we look for buying opportunities there? Right, I'm going to be very careful today with how I speak, ladies and gentlemen. We had a very powerful event on Saturday, and a lot of compliance officers were just giving us tips on what to say during the live stream and what not to say. So yeah, I'm just going to be careful with my wording, right? So yeah, at this moment, I'll be looking for buying opportunities to the upside. So let me know if you're going to be joining me on this one. BTC, I think this is too clear to see that this was deliberate. I mean, 99,554. I mean, we were just short by $500 to hit 100,000. This thing goes down. So yeah, let's see what happens from there. And I'm anticipating if we come back to the lows of 94,000, we reload from there and go back to that 100,000, and then we can see what we do from there. Choppers, please don't forget to like the stream. Like the stream. Please ensure that you like the stream as much as you can. Just like the stream. Okay, so yeah, the market is going to open now in the next 10 minutes. Who do we have in the house today? Rory obviously is in the house. Minister of US30, good to see you. Bolungisa Ngalo, I hope I'm pronouncing your surname well. Good to see you, my friend. TMZ is in the building. Sange, long time, my friend. Secretary General is also in the building. Rory seems like he's looking for bearish on gold, silver, as well as euro dollar sells. Okay, we've got Taban Skosan is also in the building. Jenny to Success and Tatiso is also in the building. Good to see all of you, my friends. Good to see all of you. So yeah, don't forget to like the stream, choppers. Please ensure that you like the stream. Just ensure that you like the stream. I'm going to run a poll now quickly. I just want to ask you guys something. Please vote there on the stream. Cast your vote there. I mean on the poll there. So yeah, we don't have much going on today. It's a Monday. Tuesday also nothing much. We have CB consumer confidence tomorrow at 5 p.m. Wednesday, NZD is the one that seems like it's having high impact news. Euro dollar, by the way, preliminary gross domestic product quarter to quarter results are going to be released, as well as unemployment claims at 3:30 tomorrow. Yeah, we also have 5 p.m. core PCE price index month to month. Thursday we have Euro German preliminary CPI, and Friday we don't have much. Okay, Canadian dollar we have gross domestic products month to month at 3:30. Okay, so the euro dollar is down. Oh, it's up. It's up by 1%, which is a good thing to see. So yeah, this is our analysis from morning. So I'm just hoping those that are in the private group, I hope you capitalize on this, because as you can clearly see, all of these setups were spot on. Spot on, spot on, spot on. I want to see if we break below $69.37 a barrel. Then I'm gonna wait for break retest and take it to the downside there. AUD USD. Want to see how we play around this area here. The market is about to open now. I think I'm gonna be buying this. I think AUD USD for me, this is my number one on my watch list. AUD USD, definitely. Right, let me know if you're joining me on AUD USD. AUD USD. Gold already down by 2%. Good to see. If you just joined us, kindly please subscribe as well as like the stream. Mr. Moodley, good to see you, my good sir. Jenny with success is saying, I failed my funded challenge last week due to opening many trades in 7 days. Sorry to hear about that, my friend. You know, with prof firms, you always have to read their rules, man. Always read their rules. Mr. Mbezi, good to see you, sir. Afternoon, President. My chart is totally different from yours. I don't know what's happening with my laptop. Same currency pair and same time frame. Okay. What is it showing you? Is it doing the opposite? If mine is bearish, yours is bullish, you press Alt I, right? Then it's going to switch. Try to see if you can press Alt I. Then it's going to switch. If it's the opposite. So mine, you see, is bearish on gold. If your gold is looking like this, then you must press Alt I. I really want to take this AUD USD. I'm going to wait for Cora to 5. Then I'm taking a buy on AUD USD. I just hope it doesn't pass me. I hope. So ATR at 6 pips. ATR times 2. $12 stop loss. What do I have here? I have 10 pips here. Then TP, there has to be times 2. 25 points or so. So yeah, I'm waiting in the next 30 minutes. I'm taking my buy on AUDUSD, depending on how it's going to print there. It all depends on how it's going to print there. Yeah, I see where you got violation there, and that is so you take 5 trades, 0.01 trade setup. Yeah, I see why they took their account. Some pro firms, they don't like that at all. They just want one entry, then you manage risk from there. Mazu, good to see you, my friend. TMS got stopped out on gold sell, but waiting the big buy of the week on US30 and NASDAQ. What's your view? Yeah, I'm also bullish on NAS 100. Been bullish from this low here. Been bullish from 20,800 and US30 as well. I've been trying to get a buy at 44,475. So yeah, I'm still also bullish there. What I'm waiting for now is to see if I can get a nice buy on AUD USD. WTI, I got stopped out. This is where I got stopped out and went my direction. Painful, but yeah, what can we say? It's the nature of our business. Bitcoin almost down by 1% today. Choppers, please don't forget to like. Let's like the stream, please. Let's like the stream. Can we ensure that the screen is liked? Please, we have 33 people in the house. Only 21 of you liked. Please just hit that like button. Only the like. Thank you. And I say just missed my entry on NAS 100. Yeah, it's a tricky one. Well, look, for me, I didn't know where I was gonna enter this. What you see here, it was just during the morning, 7 a.m. with the team, right? I couldn't know where to buy this thing. You know, it's always better to buy at the discount. That way you make more money. But it was quite tricky to get an entry on NASDAQ. So yeah. Locked with champagne. Say, Mr. President, you good? Yes, I'm good, my friend. I hope you're also blessed and good wherever you are. So yeah, choppers, wish me well on my AUD/USD. So Friday we took a lot of trades. Friday was massive. Beautiful setups on Friday. We had a good Friday. Though some of the trades didn't hit TP, but they were like 70%, 80%. But they were good. Well done, guys. Bolengis is saying I'm seeing a buy on gold because it's currently sitting on 4-hour order block. Waiting for a confirmation candlestick on 15 minutes. Gold because it's currently sitting. Okay. Yeah, well, look, for me, for gold, I'm bearish, my friend. I'm bearish. This was my analysis in the morning. And there will be a video that will be released around 5 p.m. right? Also check it out. It has all the details about what I'm anticipating for the whole week. So yeah, either way, it can buy. I think when it buys, it's going back to a key significant area where I can look for selling opportunities, right? But the way it went down, I wouldn't be surprised if we see that continuation again. If I move my analysis there, and if you are buying at this point here, for example, right, depending on how the pace in which it's gonna go up, if it does go up with a slow pace and it comes down, then I know it's a trap. I wouldn't sell that, right? Why? Because I've already touched my low at 2,600. And I think that's another example I gave you guys on Friday about NASDAQ, that if I'm anticipating a market to retrace at a certain level and drop, if it doesn't touch my key significant area, it gives me a chance to drop it, right? But if it starts with where I have my key level, right? If you look at also POC for all this entire week, POC currently trading at 2,668, right? Chances are we have a lot of orders piling up here. So it wouldn't make sense for me to come from this key level and go back up. Chances are this will be a trap to the upside, and maybe then that's when we're gonna see a drop, right? Because we have come to this level. So that's when I now do my reevaluation on the whole thing. But indices, I don't trade them like currency pairs. If this was a currency pair, I was gonna put my Fibonacci tool here to see how much retracement I have there at $2,683 an ounce. So yeah, trade with the next big thing is saying, what makes you say AUD is going to buy? So I'm not saying AUD is going to buy. I'm saying this is a place where I'm looking for a buy, right? In trading, you can never be certain. So it's, according to my analysis, it's a buy, right? And the reason why I say, for me, I want to take a buy there. So it's not a buy, but for me, it's a buy, right? The reason why is that price is currently trading at my POC level. We had a gap here, open with a gap. Already that gap is being filled, and we came out of that gap. I mean, that gap was like 23, 25 pip move, right? We filled that gap within a short space of time. POC at 65 cents. So chances are this thing is gonna play around here and go to the upside. So that's why I'm buying there, right? But I'm not saying you should buy. You should, if you see a sell, then take a sell there. For me, I'll want to see at quarter 2 in the next 4 minutes. I want to see how we close this level. Then that's when I'm gonna take a buy. If I have that nice rejection candle stick there, because the market just opened up now. Seems like TMS got something there in the midnight. Did you enter a trade there? Okay, WTI. Let's see what we have here. So again, you see the pace in which this WTI is coming to $70.50, right? For the fact, if this thing went down and retraced, maybe I was gonna take a sell, right? But for the fact that it went to the key level, which is this point, and comes back to this level, it's too easy to see. I mean, a lot of retail traders, they'll want to sell there. So for me, I call it a sucker trade. I don't want to enter such kind of setups, right? Why? Because we have already touched our key level here. Okay. So yeah, let's see. Okay, so I'm running a poll, and 60% of you are saying we should stream at 4, and 40% of you are saying we should stream at 3 p.m. The reason why I'm asking is because the market now opens at half past 4, right? So that's why. Okay, so I want us to check something here on the euro dollar. Let me have a clean chart on it. I want to show you guys something. So you see the euro dollar the way it is. There's no way I'm gonna buy here. Okay. On euro dollar, there's no way I'm gonna buy here. I'm gonna sell here. then maybe I can buy there. Take my fib from this low, because if it violates this level here, then this makes it my current low. So it's yeah, let's see. So we don't have any entry on it as yet, but yeah, anything still that breaks above retest, then we're still going to the upside. NASDAQ almost up by 1%. WTI down by 1%. Gold, on the other hand, almost down by 3%. By the way, guys, Okta is running a promotion. It's called a Telegram trade marathon, right? I'll try to put the link on the description there. So you would have three traders that will be trading live with you guys every day, morning session, midday, as well as afternoon sessions, right? So I'm one of them. So it's gonna happen in the morning from the 3rd of December to the 5th. You're gonna trade with us, and you can stand a chance to win $2,100. How much is that in rents? Excuse me. Yeah, you can win close to 40,000 rents. Why not? Why not, Chopper? You know, for such events, I would really be proud to see Choppers winning, you know. Like last time there was a promotion running where people won $1,000, and yeah, unfortunately none of the Choppers won that day. But for this one, Choppers, make sure that you come in numbers and participate, right? All the details, you'll find it also on my Instagram page or Okta's website, right? So it's called Okta Trade Marathon. Check it out. Check it out. We come back to $70.53. We're going for I'm going for a buy. Again, let me be careful how I speak, guys. Please also check out our disclaimer there. I'm not giving anyone financial advice here. But if you want to trade with me on daily basis, You want to join my team and analyze the market with me and trade with me and look for some advice, whether it's business or it's trading business, you can join my team absolutely free. It's free, right? T's and C's apply. You just open an account using my link down in the description. Open up an account, fund, and that's easy as that. I'll add you on the group within 2 minutes. That AUD is not giving us an opportunity at all. So I think if we don't get a buy at 65 cents, we can look for a buy at 60. Yeah, so here a buy was gonna come at 65.80. We can look to buy here at 65.05, right? This is another place to take a buy, right? Trading below the POC level. So I'm going to remove this. Let's do a reevaluation. For me, I take this as a false move for market opening at past. That's why I always say when the market opens up, always give yourself like 15 minutes to 30 minutes for the market to breathe. So yeah, at this point, I'll be looking for that buy order. Let me see. We have another POC at 65.122. Yeah, but from here, I think this thing might give us an opportunity. And remember, I always tell you guys that AUD USD is correlating a lot with NASDAQ. You see this drop that you see on NASDAQ there. 1, 2, third touch there on the trend line. This we call it 3x3 for those that are in our trading community, the funded group. You know it's 1, 2, 3 there. You have 1, 2, 3 there. So this is called a 3x3. Right, euro quite strong today. Dollar weak. As you see, the dollar is weak. British pound also holding some ground there. NZD also holding some ground. Canadian dollar weak. Swiss franc weak. Japanese. So my analysis on USD Japanese this morning. This was the analysis that I had for the guys in the morning. That we come at 786. Look for selling opportunities. There you go. Beautiful, beautiful setup. I hope you guys took it. Those that are in the funded group, I hope you took a sell there on USD Japanese. What do you make of this WTI here? Now trading at $69.79 a barrel there. Quite a tricky situation. So yeah, that AUD will have another alert at 65.05 and see if we can take it to the upside. NASDAQ is dropping like wild. It's dropping like wild now. Gold, on the other hand, is about to go down by 3%. Right, so gold is almost down by 3%. Euro dollar is almost up by 1%. British pound up by 0.5%. And US30 almost up by 1%. And WTI down by 1%, 1.4%. Bitcoin also down by almost 2%. We've got Brent crude oil coming there and down by 1.4%. So yeah, quite volatile markets today. I think it's a good day to make money or lose money. I like what I see so far. NASDAQ is dropping. So at this point, this is where now I will want to see if this thing comes to the upside, trap those who wants to commit here, and then take a sell from there. I'm gonna take it from there. Right, choppers, I'm gonna ask to leave early today, so I'm gonna leave in the next 10 minutes or so. I have something to attend to quickly, so my apologies for that, but we're gonna be together again on Wednesday. But for now, let's stay tuned until I tell you guys that I'm about to leave. I'm usually here for 2 hours, but today I'm gonna be here for like 1 hour and 20 minutes or so. Let's see that AUD, if we have come to a point of buying it. Yeah, so we are at the point of interest, you know, the candlestick that we're going to be looking for, buying this thing to the upside, right? Maybe we can possibly exit here because this is a scalp either way, right? But it seems like it's not budging at all. It's not budging at all. Gold almost down by 2% as well. Seems like we are not getting an opportunity there on NASDAQ. I mean on euro dollar. We wanted to sell at the high, at least at $1.05. around that area there. But it's okay, no opportunity as yet. AUD USD going back to 0.0, right? It was up by 0.4%, but now it seems like it's going back to the zeros, right? But yeah, if we go and reject with this candlestick, I might consider buying there. Remember, at first I wanted to buy there, but when the market opened, I said, let me give myself 15 minutes for the market to breathe first and use. Remember, I always say, market open and market close, there's always a false move, right? That's why I give myself that 15 minutes after the market is opened. So yeah, we'll see at that low there what's going to happen. So don't forget to check out Octa's Trade Marathon, right? Don't forget to check it out today. I mean on the 3rd of December. I'm not sure if they have uploaded the link here, but I'll just check that. So it's official, gold is down by 3%. Gold is now down by 3%. There it is there. TMZ saying, guys, let's give MJ his flowers now. I'm gonna be trading as a business. I thought I was until I fell in love with the life he does, because I'm trading with a different strategy from him. I now have a dissonance of I should stay or do my things alone, but always listen to psychology videos on the channel. A lot of love, man. You are one of a different trading business. Thank you, my friend. I like the fact that you are trading different from me, and we hang out together. You know, that's the whole purpose of this live stream. It's not about who makes more money, who loses money. It's about us coming together as a community, right? And look at it as in business, there's a word that is called so you usually differentiate between monopolistic competition and perfect competition. So what is perfect competition in business is when you are having businesses that are offering the same services, same structure, and they're in the same location, right? Example will be if you go to the mall, right? You would find that restaurants are in the same level. This is Nando's, Wimpy, there's McDonald's. They're in the same line, right? And all of them, they are into fast food, right? That is called perfect competition. And you find that all of them, they work together. When this one is lacking something, you can go next door and ask for change, you know. But they are offering different services, but they are in the same line of business, right? That is called perfect competition. And it's so here we are not competing. I'm just giving you the idea of what this stream is all about. Whether you are a beginner, whether you are a pro, whether you've been trading for years or you've been trading since yesterday, you are welcome to hang around with us and we trade together, right? So yeah, we can only grow as a unit, if we get along as a unit, right, and do things together, break bread together, right? So yeah, big ups to you, TMZ. That NASDAQ is still dropping. It was up almost by 1%, and look at what it's doing now. So my anticipation on NASDAQ was maybe we might find some resistance at that level 123, which is called 3x3, and we come back to the downside. So yeah, NASDAQ is dropping like nobody's business. Let's see how we hold 20,793, and maybe we can make some decisions from there. Oh, by the way, guys, I forgot to tell you something very important. Very, very, very important. So we wanted to finalize our payment for the venue this morning, right? And the bad news, and guys, my humble apologies, right? It seems like the venue made a double booking for the 30th of November, right? So in the morning, we wanted to reserve with payment, as they said that the last week we must contact them and reserve with payment. But unfortunately, it seems like the lady who booked us is on leave and didn't, I don't know, maybe tell the other staff members or log our booking for that day. And yeah, it's unfortunate, so we have to postpone dinner with the president. So my team was saying let's do it December, but I know December a lot of you are busy, a lot of you are going home, a lot of you are closing your books. And one thing about me in December is that I don't want a lot of distraction, because that's when I close my books, right, for all my businesses, and I'm gonna be trading, right? So we have postponed the dinner with the president to January next year, right? So it's not gonna happen on the 30th of November. Again, I'm really sorry, guys. It's something that we don't have control over, and it's late now to get another venue. It's late now to get a venue. Normally when we look for a venue, we contact them like 3 weeks before, even a month before, right? Because they have to reserve for us a special space to do this. So unfortunately there was a double booking, and yeah, and the other guys that booked the venue, they had already paid, because the salesperson that was helping them finished everything at a go. But with us, that lady told us that we need to wait for the last week and we make our payment. So in the morning when we tried to make our payment, they told us that fortunately the lady was helping us is on leave, and yeah, everything is just the makar, but we are going to fix it. So the second week of January, that's when we are going to have dinner with the president. I'll give you the details to come. So yeah, I know I had a lot of you guys coming from different areas. I know we had Mpumalanga, we actually had somebody all the way from Cape Town, can you believe it, who booked even a spot way earlier when we announced this. So it's very unfortunate, it's very painful, but yeah, it is what it is. So as you know that you did not pay anything, so I can't say that we'll refund you the money that you paid, you know, because you didn't pay anything. But however, I know you had plans. You had plans for that day, and we inconvenienced your plans. We didn't mean to do so, but yeah, we are not canceling the stream, I mean the dinner. We are postponing it to January. So for those of you that had already made a booking, expect an email or a call from my office detailing the next steps from here. Bitcoin down by 2%. Man, like I said, this was deliberate. 99,500. This was deliberate. Can tell you that. The big guys know what they are doing here. I want to see if I can buy Bitcoin maybe at 93,000, 92,000, even possibly 90,000. I think it's a good thing that it's doing this. Is giving us opportunities again of reloading Bitcoin there. Let's see what's gonna happen from there. We'll see what's gonna happen from there. All right, choppers, I'm gonna have to love you and leave you. Like I said, today I'm gonna stream for like 1 hour 20 minutes. I need to attend to something very quickly. So yeah, if you want to trade with me, like I said to you earlier on, just WhatsApp me. My WhatsApp number is just there. Let me pin it for you. WhatsApp me, and yeah, just fund using my link down below. You can use also the promo code trade with MJ for 100% bonus. And yeah, I'll see you guys on Wednesday. And for those that are in the private group, I'll see you guys in the morning, right? I'm yet to upload. Remember, we had a class on Friday. Those that are in the private group, we had a class on Friday about commitment of traders, which is where hedge funds and money managers normally place their trades. Yeah, I'm gonna upload it again tonight. Then you can watch it there privately for yourself, right? I'll send you guys the link on the group. Thank you so much, choppers, and all the best with the rest of the trading session. Cheers, bye.